Exposing skincare scams. Are overnight masks more effective? Here's my midweek skincare hack. Use your moisturizer as a sleeping mask. So, whether overnight masks are more effective really depends on the formulation. Overnight masks are really just moisturizers. Sleeping masks could possibly be more effective simply because it contains richer active ingredients that repair the skin barrier. It also has to do with the amount you apply. Typically, you are advised to apply at least a palm-sized amount of the sleeping mask product, and that usually means that more moisturizer is applied to skin, and hence it is also more effective. So here's the scam. Sleeping masks are actually the same as moisturizers, as these are considered leave-on rather than wash-off products. These work by being absorbed into the skin and hence repair the skin barrier.